Hey, welcome back to Master Guitar Fret. My name is Jörg. In this lesson, we're gonna do a cool finger picking blues in E. So have a look. All right, so let's go and break down this finger picking blues bit by bit and bar by bar. All right, so we're in E, okay? I'm just gonna show you how to do the finger picking. So what I do is I kind of have my thumb up here and ring and pinky down here sort of as support. I'm only using my thumb and my index finger. So my pinky and my ring finger are giving me support to do this. And my middle finger is sort of kind of just hanging around as usual. So that's how I do the picking. So we're only using thumb and index finger for this finger picking. I'm really not a finger picker, so I play mostly with a pick, but I thought this was a cool little finger picking exercise for you to get into slowly finger picking. So we'll start with 2 fingers. Later on you might want to add some more, and that's entirely up to you, okay? But the whole thing can be done with just... So let's go look at all the sections of this finger picking song. So this is basically a E, A, and B progression. Pretty standard blues progression, okay? So those are the chords that we're going to use. We're going to throw in some different stuff. But let's look at that section by section. So the first part, we have our E chord. First we go bass note, E, and the open high E string. With the pinky we hit the 3rd fret on the B string. And in between the notes we always play the bass note. So that's the first bar. And then it starts again. So that's the second bar. Second part is A. And the A we're going to play as a kind of barred with the index finger on the 4th fret, the lowest, the D, G, B, and A, with the middle finger on the 3rd fret. That's kind of like an A7. Bass note is the A, of course. That's it. But we're going to play that in 3 different ways. So bass note remains up here. And here's the F-shaped chord on the 5th fret, which is an A as well. And then we'll do the D-shaped chord on the 9th fret. These are basically 3 different variations of the A chord. So it has to happen all fast because it has to fit in this bar. Then it goes back to the first part. But only one bar. Then we go to the turnaround, B7. The bass note B is now on the 2nd fret A. So basically that's what we do with the B. Now now we're going to play a different B to change it up a little bit, and that's the same as the A7, but we're just moved down 2 frets to the 4th fret. Bass note is of course the D string on the 4th fret. So right here, make the change. So that's the turnaround. The 5th part of this song is going back to the A. We played that already. Again, we played 2 different A chords. And then back to and then we conclude this blues with a B7. So I'm gonna play just a turnaround again. You can continue playing it, start over again, or you can end it. So I'm gonna throw in some sort of an ending there so you know how to end it as well, correct? Okay, here's the turnaround. So you notice that on the 7, on the B7, I slid. Or you can also just play it with the pinky. Or the whole thing. That's a variation, so you can do whatever you like there. This concludes our finger picking blues. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please subscribe right here so you won't miss the next lesson when it comes up. Thanks for stopping by. Really appreciate it. And I'll see you soon.